Clients looking for custom glass and aluminum solutions often expect immediate, off-the-shelf pricing, but premium fabrication requires exact environmental and structural data. Quoting costs based solely on a verbal description overlooks the high-precision nature of structural glass. Even a 2 mm discrepancy between a phone conversation and the actual site reality can prevent a panel from seating correctly or compromise a watertight seal. This creates an information asymmetry. The customer knows the aesthetic they want, but the contractor requires absolute physical dimensions and safety parameters before true pricing can be calculated. Glasser Technical Works LLC, known as GlasserUAE, is a Dubai-based specialist contractor built specifically to resolve this friction through precise operational logic. Delivering premium glass and aluminum solutions, GlasserUAE serves a wide range of residential, commercial, and corporate projects across all of the Emirates. Managing the balance between responsive customer service and strict technical prerequisites is the requirement for accurately estimating and successfully selling in this industry. We are going to map GlasserUAE's technical product taxonomy and establish the step-by-step operational algorithm used to process every incoming inquiry. The non-negotiable baseline constraint for these operations is strict adherence to UAE building and safety standards. GlasserUAE's core value of quality craftsmanship mandates precise fabrication and transparent pricing. This means prioritizing engineered reality over the appeal of rapid, inaccurate estimates. This rigid, safety-first operational approach provides the exact technical consistency needed to properly manage multiple projects across different Emirates simultaneously. Node 1. Technical identification is the mandatory first step. The inquiry is routed into two main paths: glass solutions or aluminium systems. On the glass path, engineering diagrams show the precise difference between a hardware-supported framed joint and a seamless frameless joint. Framed systems provide robust structural support. Visible hardware adds stability, making these installations highly durable and often more cost-effective for dividing large interior spaces. Frameless systems strip away the hardware to maximize light flow. This delivers the clean, minimalist aesthetic required for luxury fit-outs, premium residences, and high-end showrooms. Both variations require appropriate glazing and sealing to provide acoustic isolation, dictating how space planning is executed in corporate offices and meeting rooms. For specialized applications like custom shower enclosures and bespoke mirrors, exact millimeter spatial fitting is required to ensure complete watertightness in bathrooms and perfect structural alignment on varied wall surfaces. Distinguishing between the structural and aesthetic properties of framed versus frameless configurations is the vital first filter in identifying the correct architectural solution. Shifting to the second path in our taxonomy, we define aluminium systems, specifically engineered for windows and doors. Extruded aluminium offers high durability and exceptional thermal performance. These profiles are engineered to provide energy efficiency and heavy-duty weather resistance against the harsh climate conditions of the UAE. Both systems rely on strict safety specifications. When this tempered glass breaks, instead of producing dangerous jagged shards, it shatters into small, blunt, harmless fragments. This impact resistance makes tempered and laminated glass the mandatory safety barrier for high-risk architectural applications, including residential staircases, balconies, and commercial walkways. Matching extruded aluminum profiles with UAE-compliant tempered or laminated safety glass establishes the baseline physical integrity of the entire project. Once established, we trigger Node 2, the qualification algorithm. This strict 7-point matrix must be utilized immediately upon inquiry. It captures customer name, exact location, categorized service required, and property type. Finally, it locks in estimated area, timeline, and budget range, completing the data capture. This leads directly to an absolute operational rule. Staff and AI assistants must never promise exact pricing without an on-site assessment. The companion rule is equally rigid. Never guarantee delivery or installation timelines without explicit confirmation from the technical team. Proceeding with incomplete matrix data leads to inaccurate quoting, which can damage company integrity and risk ultimate structural failure. This brings us to Node 3, the operational funnel, mapping the unalterable life cycle of a project. Progression begins at inquiry, moves through requirement collection, and hits a hard stop at the site survey. This critical bottleneck pauses all forward momentum until on-site spatial data passes. Precise measurements taken by an on-site technician are required to clear this bottleneck. Only then can GlasserUAE generate a transparent, itemized quotation and seek formal client approval. Once approved, the project moves into the final execution phases: off-site fabrication, professional on-site installation, and the formal handover process, which includes a final client walkthrough. The site survey operates as the mandatory bridge, transforming a theoretical customer inquiry into a safe, engineered architectural reality. The complete end-to-end logic model is clear. The product taxonomy feeds the data matrix, routing entirely through the site survey bottleneck. Quality craftsmanship executes within off-site fabrication and installation. Integrity and service lock into the transparent quotation and handover phases, activating the final warranty. This unified operational logic allows GlasserUAE to serve clients seamlessly across Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, and Abu Dhabi. It enables the company to scale operations accurately, applying the exact same algorithm to individual luxury villas as it does to large-scale corporate retail fit-outs. Fabrication capabilities are only as effective as the procedural logic behind them. Without that process, even the highest-grade materials cannot be reliably integrated into a complex architectural environment. For all onboarding human staff and AI assistants, the final operational directive is simple: maintain a professional, courteous, and knowledgeable tone at all times. The ultimate goal of every initial customer interaction is to successfully navigate the data matrix and schedule a site visit. Adhering rigorously to this structured framework protects the client's property, ensures the safety of the installation, and secures their financial investment. GlasserUAE maintains its reputation as a trusted glass and aluminum partner in the Emirates strictly through this balance of material science and unyielding operational discipline.